In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook apps on Windows laptop. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, searching here for Microsoft Store, then enter it to open Microsoft Store and make sure you have Microsoft account to log in. Then here is searching bar, search for Facebook, and as you can see here is Facebook apps for Windows laptop. Then here is in this left side install button, just click to install. So first of all it downloading from Microsoft Store, then it will install. It depend on your internet speed, so it take few time. So install done. After that click on open, and I'm closing Microsoft Store, and it's open Facebook apps, and this app synchronize my default browser. So here showing my all the Facebook profile. So I'm going to log in my first account. So as you can see, just click on login with username. As you can see, it's logged with my Facebook profile. So that way you can download Facebook apps on Windows. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.